Want to fix Minecraft stuck on encrypting? This video will show you the simple tricks to get your world saved. Let's dive in. First things first, Minecraft getting stuck on encrypting usually happens when saving a world, indicating a problem with file permissions, disk space, or a corrupted world file. Now, the easiest fix is to wait it out for a few minutes. Sometimes, especially with large worlds or slower drives, the encryption process can take longer than expected. Next, check your disk space. Ensure you have plenty of free space on the drive where your Minecraft worlds are saved. A full drive can prevent the game from saving correctly. You'll also want to check your folder permissions. Ensure Minecraft has full red-dash write access to your .minecraft folder on PC or games/com/mojang folder on Android or iOS. Right-click the folder, go to Properties, then Security, and ensure your user has full control. If the problem persists, try restarting Minecraft in your device. Close the game completely, restart your computer or phone, and then try loading and saving the world again. This can clear temporary glitches. Finally, if it's a specific world, the world file itself might be corrupted. Try to make a backup of your world folder, copy it elsewhere, and then try loading an older backup of that world if you have one. As a last resort, reinstalling Minecraft might be necessary. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Minecraft tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.